Alright, for this pill bottle, your dimensions are going to be, for this cross brace, 6 3/8 on both sides. These side bars on the for your front roller adjustment is on 1.25 inches both sides. I've got the labels in the middle of the rollers in the back. So all you need to do is flag it out to the cord, which I have set in the second notch down from the separator plate. Then simply put your bottle in. Roll forward. The height on your bottle is going to be set by this from wherever you set your labels. I've got it about 1/2 inch from where the label bottom is. So that's where it's going to start, and it'll be straight. So 6 7/8, 1.25 inches centered here, and then you can set the height of the label on your bottle with moving this back and forth this way.